Sand Creek is only an active waterway when it rains, but Tri-Basin plans could make it a recharge area with a dam, spillway, and reservoir. The Tri-Basin Natural Resources District made a visit to the main channel which crosses under Highway 6 on the east side of Minden during the annual August Projects Tour Tuesday.
Sand Creek is a tributary of the Little Blue River that flows east from Minden over into Adams County, where it eventually joins the Little Blue down by Deweese. And in eastern Kearney County, western Adams County, there have been problems with groundwater declines. And so we're going to try at least to help recharge the aquifer on a localized basis in eastern Kearney County through a recharge reservoir. And what we would do is build a dam along Sand Creek and allow water to build up behind it and soak into the stream bed and recharge the aquifer.
Possible project elements are an earthen dam 20 to 24 feet high, a spillway 18 to 20 feet high, and a reservoir covering 100 to 140 acres, plus observation wells specifically sited to measure reservoir impacts.
There's been a lot of interest in the project, and we studied several sites. The landowners really encouraged us to look at this site as one that would have minimal impacts to the neighbors. It is relatively close proximity to Minden, so there is some recreational potential, and I know that the economic development folks here in Minden are interested in that angle. So we think there's multiple benefits from this reservoir.
The second stop on Tuesday's tour was near the intersection of V and 23rd Roads southeast of Kearney along North Dry Creek.
The North Dry Creek Stream Flow Augmentation Project was developed by Tri-Basin NRD in the state of Nebraska with the intent of being able to, on a real-time basis, augment stream flows to help meet the target flows that the Fish and Wildlife Service set for the Platte River. And North Dry Creek, a tributary of the Platte that comes into the river near Kearney.
The site features a shallow submersible well that can pump up to 1,250 gallons per minute, an underground pipeline to and through the creek bank, and a spillway to put water into the stream. North Dry Creek will carry the groundwater north to the Platte River.
It's anticipated that if this phase goes well, that we could add 2 additional sites further upstream on North Dry Creek and possibly even expand this type of a system to other creeks like Plum Creek in Gosper County. This is a way for us to help meet the requirements of the Platte River Recovery Program without having to retire irrigated cropland.
Grand Island-based Central Platte NRD and the 3 other Republican Basin NRDs, Lower, Middle, and Upper, are also studying sites for possible river augmentation projects.